Shalom lekulam. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. My name is Ro'i and we're going to be learning 10 Hebrew words to order like a pro in Israel. This is perfect if you want to come to Tel Aviv, Jerusalem, anywhere, and go order something in a cafe or a restaurant. Practical and essential. Perfect. Before we get started, as you can see, I wanted also to invite you to get your free guides, free PDFs that you can download. There's like 50 must-know Hebrew words and sentences. You got the 6 Jewish prayers before eating, build your Hebrew vocabulary, picture game. Really fun, really practical for you for free in the link below. You guys are also welcome to try the Hebrew beginner course called Hebrew Made Simple. You can see it has everything here. And let's get started. First word is אפשר. אפשר. I like the word אפשר. It means, can I have blank? Or is it possible to have something? So we say, אפשר ice cafe? That's it. אפשר ice cafe? Can I have iced coffee? In Hebrew, people say ice cafe or cafe קר. So let's just go with ice cafe. אפשר ice cafe? Like that. Another example. אפשר מים בבקשה? אפשר מים בבקשה? Can I have water, please? מים is water. בבקשה is please or you're welcome. Okay, the second one is אני רוצה. אני רוצה is I want, masculine for a guy. And feminine is אני רוצה. אני רוצה is feminine, I want. So let's see. Someone could say, אני רוצה עוגת וניל. אני רוצה עוגת וניל. עוגה is cake. עוגת וניל is vanilla cake. אני רוצה עוגת וניל. Or feminine would be, for example, a different type of cake. אני רוצה עוגת שוקולד. אני רוצה עוגת שוקולד. I want a chocolate cake. That's it. Perfect. Number 3, we got the word bevakasha. As I said before, actually, bevakasha is please or you're welcome. Useful. So an example is אפשר קולה בבקשה? אפשר קולה בבקשה. That means, can I have cola? Can I have Coca-Cola, please? You see here in the example. Let's slow down. If I was a bit too fast, I'll slow down a tiny bit more. Another example for בבקשה. אפשר ketchup בבקשה? Can I have ketchup, please? Let's move on to number 4. Number 4 is im. Im means with. Okay? אני רוצה latte עם חלב רגיל. אני רוצה latte עם חלב רגיל. That's a hard one. It means I want a latte. So far it's easy. Im is with חלב רגיל. Now חלב is milk. חלב רגיל is regular milk, normal milk. That's how we usually refer sometimes for cow's milk. You can say חלב פרה or חלב רגיל. Perfect. Let's see number 5. Number 5 is בלי. בלי means without. For example, אני רוצה latte בלי סוכר. I want a latte without sugar. בלי סוכר. That's easy. Number 6. לשבת. לשבת means to sit. Literally, that's the verb to sit is לשבת. But it can also mean for here if you're ordering in a restaurant. לשבת, and לקחת. לקחת means literally to take, but it also means for takeaway. So people often ask when you order, they say לשבת או לקחת. לשבת או לקחת, meaning for here or for takeaway. לשבת או לקחת. And then someone could say, לשבת בבקשה, for here please, like to sit please, or לקחת בבקשה, for takeaway please. That's good. We already did sheva, 7 letters, 7 words. So let's see number 8. יש לכם. יש לכם. יש לכם means do you have, do you guys have. This is for a bunch of people or for a restaurant, etc. So we could say, יש לכם תפריט באנגלית? I know this might be hard for beginners, so יש לכם, do you guys have? תפריט is a menu. So do you guys have a menu באנגלית, in English? Do you guys have a menu in English? Nice. Another way of saying it, יש לכם יין? Yain is wine. So it's like saying, do you guys have wine? Do you have wine? יש לכם יין? Great. Number 9 is easy. תודה. תודה is thank you, thanks. So I could say, הכל טעים. תודה. הכל is everything. It means everything is delicious or tasty. Thank you, thanks. הכל טעים, תודה. And let's see some sizes now. This is good for coffee, popcorn, whatever. So we know katan, that's a simple word. Katan is small. Medium is beinoni. It's a hard one. So we got katan, we got beinoni, and we got gadol. Katan, beinoni, gadol. So people say often קפה גדול, קפה קטן, בינוני. There's also the feminine version for these, which would be קטנה for feminine, for small, בינונית, feminine for medium, and גדולה, feminine for big, large. For example, if I say a small cup or a small glass, it's actually feminine. So you could say כוס קטנה, or כוס בינונית, or כוס גדולה. But for now, I just put the masculine for these words. That was it for today. I want you guys in the comments to order something in Hebrew. Could be Hebrew letters, could be transliteration in English letters. And you can feel free to do like something fun as if you're ordering, and I'll check it in the comments below. תודה רבה. Thank you guys so much. Thank you very much. Feel free to follow and subscribe and all of that. Very, very appreciated. You guys are the best. Have a great, blessed day. יאללה ביי, להתראות. תודה רבה.